You got your belly full, now you're going to take a nap, is that it? You got your belly full, now you're going to sploot. Miss Dolly going to do the sploots. Yeah. Oh, hers you tired, Mama. Been feeding those babies all night. They've been yelling all day, so I know they got to be exhausting. Yeah. We just hung out together. They've been hanging out with me all afternoon. They did go lay over on the rocks over there when I left to go to the store, but they came right back over here for peanuts and water. And we got some more kibble too, didn't you?